about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful. This Rosalind situation, so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
We're here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical genius. Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome, I'm sure of it.
Stop sucking up, son.
And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff, neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really liked you. All right! Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick,
Shoot! I can't wait to thank them in person.
I wanna play games 24/7! Hit the button faster!
I need to level up.
Look at the zombie geek zombieing out killing zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta. Hello, item.
New game's out today.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go all rating mature on their asses. Ready? Go!
Nettle up your ass.
Going up.
Whoa! Things just got all Commodore 64 on us.
Uh-oh, I think it thinks we're blue ghosts.
Are you ready? Start.
I guess the one thing I don't have to worry about is calloused thumbs.
Intruder alert!
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Intruder alert!
Juliet, can I ask you something sort of sensitive?
Oh, yes, Nick?
My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it a little?
Oh.
Intruder alert! You win! Next level.
Now seems like the perfect time to take a shopping break. God, I love shopping. I found something! That's it! Well, let's do this thing! My triceps are getting a total workout swinging this chainsaw around.
Are you just rubbing in that I don't have triceps?
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you say, Nick kills. What you say, Nick slays. Nick fans, we hear it. We hear it. Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
rock!
1,
Ah! Help! Ah! No! Leave me alone! Please! Ah! Help!
No! I'm too pretty to die! We're gonna bring these zombies the funk, right, Nick?
What? You gonna fuck a zombie?
No, gross! Bring them the funk!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks, Juliet. Totally gonna friend request you tonight.
Death metal is for pussies.
Let's go! Pretty cool.
I'm Joseph James, bitch!
Hey there!
Are you ready?
Let's check out these elevators. All right, this is all too surreal. If a little dude in a red cap and blue overalls pops out at me, I am seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
This is great! I'm such a game geek!
Guess I'm into some side-scrolling from time to time.
Nick, now isn't the time to be talking dirty.
If it bleeds, I can kill it!
They say solid colors are slimming. Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Your butt never looks ginormous, Juliet. Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Going up.
And this!
It's more fun killing zombies when they're in rainbow colors, huh?
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
Funky, funky! Continue.
You win! Next level.
When I practice this alone in my room, I do it naked and get less wind resistance. I do it for the exercise. Really. Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my skirt and I won't kill you.
You're supposed to throw dollar bills, dude, not bombs.
Move up on your face! Watch me do the robot, please.
Are you ready?
It's my turn!
Start!
That dumb wall's in the way.
going? You're destroying the wall. All this retro nonsense is bugging me hardcore.
At least you'll never have to wear parachute pants, Nick, even if they come back in style.
You win! Next level.
It's nearly 9 o'clock. You should go home. I think I'm down with the sickness.
Juliet, look out overhead.
Time to shop.
Awesome!
You're so sexy, Nick. Nick Popper.
Corey, look out! Look out! Baby, let's walk! All right. Time to roll! Satan! I need to get home. How you doing?
Sweet. So delicious. That's it.
Are you ready? Start.
Jeez, we have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Someone's manipulating us.
We're here, on the roof of the building. Where's my sister?
Yeah! Go!
That's where we need to go, Juliet.
Rosalind? Where are you?
Time to get the fuck out.
You're the one from the phone. Give me back my sister.
What's the matter, baby? Didn't you like our phone SEXXX? That's a pity.
Let me think. Dude, give us Rosalind now. And quit making fun of Stephen Hawking. He's a great man, you perv.
I'm the pervert? You the one with a head hanging from your hip. I already told you, girlie. If you want to win your sister back, you have to play the game. Oh, baby, time to get the fuck out. Light up, please. Fucking her. Let's get real.
Ready? Go! What's this then? Now it's mine.
What a major tool. And his UFO sucks too.
What's this then? Now it's mine. Pretty cool.
Let's get freaky.
What's this then? Pretty cool. Ready? Yeah!
I just identified an unidentified flying object, and we're freaking standing on it. A UFO?
Go, go, go!
Please return to your seat. I'm paying good money for that.
Great job, Juliet. But hurry! Break the next machine quickly!
His fucking shield is so lame. We have to destroy the barriers, quick!
Please, return to your seat.
It's dangerous when it's glowing red.
Please return to your seat. Please return to your seat.
Great job, Juliet. But hurry! Break the next machine quickly!
Ladies and gentlemen, please be quiet.
It's dangerous when it's glowing red.
Wait, hold on. If you kill me, you never see your sister.
No!
Hey! You promised you'd give her back if we won!
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho. Hey, baby. For me. Go ahead, Juliet.
Looks like you're out of coins, weird voice guy.
May speed to Redgate Protocol.
Cannon.
Sweet.
Cool.